Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you're ready. Buenos tardes. Whatever. Actually, yeah, side note. Did you like all the hacks we did for the past couple of weeks? Some of you were a little shady, and by some of you I mean 2. The rest of you loved them. They were fun to do. I love the hacks. I always say on Fridays, today's Friday, which means it's pizza night in my house, but I'm on that, trying to get that hot summer girl body or whatever. So I am still gonna partake in wine later, but I'm gonna have pizza. I'm just gonna make a different keto version. We've done a couple of these before. We did with the Carb Quick, we did that. Okay, this is different. I got this off of TikTok, and I just changed it a little bit, right? Just a little bit. And we're gonna make it with chicken.
What?
She already said what? Yes, you heard that right. Chicken is gonna be our base. That's how we're gonna make our crust. Right here, I have 20 ounces of your store-bought chicken. So start to make the crust. You do 20 ounces of the chopped chicken, half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg. You're gonna do 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and that's gonna be our crust. So ready, set, class begins. $20 ounces of chicken. What?
Look at that.
Got a problem?
You got that down.
It's crickets in here. Mute button, everybody's...
Salt and pepper to taste, little basil, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and now our Parmesan. This really makes our crust.
A what?
Parmesan, Parmigiano. Mix your little crust together. Thank you, TikTok. All right, guess it's not the fun part watching me mix it. I need my pizza pan, cause I made my dough. Hi, Joshua. No, I'm not. I'm making a pizza crust out of chicken.
Oh, I keep smelling tuna.
Are you Jessica Simpson? She said when she was eating tuna.
Is this chicken what I have, or is this fish? I know it's tuna, but it says chicken.
Chicken or tuna that I'm eating? Because it says chicken of the sea. And he's like, it's tuna. I don't know why I'm doing this, because it doesn't really matter. Wow. Thought you would all. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Phenomenal. Someone's gonna say, now that pizza doesn't look so cylindrical, but that's okay. Hey girl.
What are you making?
I am making a pizza crust out of chicken.
Yum.
Right? So.
Looks good.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Little olive oil on top. You throw this in your 375-degree oven, and when you take it out, we're gonna top it. So on that note, we'll see you back here in 30 minutes. We're gonna go play in the sandbox.
Okay. Whatever that means.
Ding, 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 ding. It's been 30 minutes. Need my little trusty dusty mitt. Now we get to work our magic. This is the fun part. I like a red sauce. You could do a white sauce, you could do some whatever you want. So I'm just doing the pizza sauce that I have in my house. That's why I like round table pizza so much, because it's very saucy and the sauce has a kick in it. So that should be enough sauce. Now some mozzarella cheese. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. I'ma be. Ooh, my secret weapon, a little golden pizza boy from Williams-Sonoma. Okay, now we just do our little pepperoni. No method to my madness, right? All right, good enough. Now black olives, little pop of color, little kick in the teeth. But all right, I think that's good. So I'm gonna put this back in the oven for 15 minutes. If it's not as crispy as I like it, I'm gonna set it to broil. And we wait. Woo-wee, perfect. Just how we want it, nice and sizzling. Look at that crispy crust. Now I like to sprinkle a little Parmesan on it. You don't have to do this. I need my little basil tree. I'm gonna take you to Bobby Boy Living Basil. Like, I make summer cocktails with basil. It's just, oh, it's so good. These are big pieces, I know, but I like the taste of it. Gorgeous. plates. All right, it's been sitting a little bit. I'm gonna cut this one in a triangle. Now listen, besides the pizza sauce, there's no carbohydrates. And that pizza sauce that I have here is 5 net carbs for every like half cup. So really, you're probably looking at like 2 carbohydrates for this. Oh my God, it tastes like a crust, look. You see the back of it? It's not chicken. It doesn't taste like chicken. Damn, this is good. Good, love you, Mom. Thank you for that saying. I have 0 guilt right now. Usually there's a little guilt involved. There's none. What do I say, Jason? Make your tongue smack your eyeball. So good. Excuse me, sir. Who's interrupting my pizza? Hello? Uber Eats? How dare they? I'm cooking. Okay, come on in. How? Low carb love, TikTok, tickety talk. This is the cat's meow. This is 5 stars. This is 2 thumbs up. This is so good. Okay, well on that note, if you enjoyed yourself here, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you can see the next food hack, Bobby Boyd Living original recipe, or recreation from TikTok. I appreciate you, I love you, and I will see you next time. I love you mucho. Until next time, bye-bye.